Hi, in this video we will learn input type checkbox. Suppose I have one text like I have accepted the terms, and I am putting some break here. Now I want to put a checkbox in front of the text. So how to do that? I will create one input type equal to, it will be checkbox, and if you do that you can see there is one checkbox. So you should give one name attribute like terms, and if you check the checkbox and send the data to server, you can see the terms equal to on. So terms is the name of your checkbox. So if there is no value we have specified in the checkbox, it will be on by default. So if you just normally send the data to server, it will be just like, means nothing, there will be nothing about the name, so there is no terms. But if you check it and then send the data to server, it will be terms equal to on. So when you checked it, it will be terms equal to on, and if it is not checked and you send the data to server, there will be no parameter, means there is no key for the terms. And if you want to put some particular value like value equal to accepted, and now if you refresh it and click it and send the data to server, it will be terms equal to accepted. Whatever value you will put in the checkbox, it will be there. So this is the name of your checkbox and this is the value, so terms equal to accepted. And if you just send normally without checking this checkbox, there is no terms key in your search query or query string. Okay, so there are another attributes also, like if you put disabled, the checkbox will be disabled, you cannot click it. And if you want to make it, I mean checked, means by default when someone will load your page, it will be checked by default, then put the checked parameter to your right checked value to this. So it is disabled but it is already checked. So if you remove the disabled, so you can see it is now enabled and it is checked. So if you refresh it again and again, so by default it is checked. So uncheck it and check it. Okay, so if you refresh it, so it is already checked, and if you click to send to server, so it will be terms equal to accepted. So by default it is checked. Now there is another attribute which is required. So I am removing this checked and putting required here, and if you refresh it and if you want to submit it, it will say please tick this box if you want to proceed. So you cannot proceed without accepting the terms. So this particular checkbox have to be checked before submitting the form data to the server. So to do that you have to put required attribute in your checkbox. Now if you put another attribute like autofocus, and now if you refresh your page, it will be like this. So whenever you will load your page or refresh your page, focus will be in your checkbox. That is one other attribute you can use. So that's it for checkbox. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.